If you look after the pennies, the pounds will look after themselves. Welcome to BlackRock Inspired. Making money online isn't always easy. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make money online in a realistic way that anyone can follow, but it's not going to be a get-rich-quick scheme. We will be covering a variety of methods, including freelancing, affiliate marketing, and more. So if you're looking for ways to make some extra cash, be sure to watch this video till the end, cause we have a bonus section for those who stick through. Let's get started. Number 1. Freelance online. Making money online as a freelancer requires dedication, hard work, and skill. It's not a get-rich-quick solution or a way to make easy money. It's an opportunity for you to build a successful business and develop your skills as you work with different clients. The first step to becoming a successful freelancer is to identify your unique skill set and the services you can offer that will be of value to companies or individuals. This could range from web design, copywriting, graphic design, virtual assistant tasks, app development, video editing, and more. You should also research the market and competitive landscape to determine what the going rate is for services similar to yours so you can price competitively. Once you have identified the services you will be offering as a freelancer and created an appealing portfolio of your work, it's time to start marketing yourself. Networking is key when it comes to finding freelance jobs, connecting with other professionals in your industry, or attending related events. Virtual or in-person can help increase your visibility and lead potential clients right to your doorstep. You should also create an impressive resume that highlights your qualifications and experience. Having an online presence like a website or blog can also help showcase your skills to potential clients. In addition, freelance websites are an ideal way for newbies to start out in the online money-making arena. They provide an easy way to search and find jobs that match your skills and experience, without having to commit to a single employer or project. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are two of the most popular work marketplaces for freelancers and clients alike. They both offer users a streamlined platform to connect, collaborate, and make money. Upwork's main focus is on skilled freelancers who are able to bring their own portfolios to the site and showcase their experience with previous employers. Companies can then select from the list of experienced professionals who best meet their specifications. Upwork also offers additional tools for employers such as client feedback systems, contract tracking, and project management systems. In comparison, Fiverr is more geared towards smaller projects that don't require a highly skilled professional. While low-cost services are its hallmark feature, users still have access to plenty of experienced experts in a variety of different fields ranging from logo design to web development. What sets Fiverr apart from its competitors is its gig-based pricing system. Customers pay per gig or task completed instead of engaging in more complex contracts with traditional hourly or fixed-price billing structures. For freelancers looking for flexible jobs with no long-term commitments, both platforms provide ample opportunities which can be tailored to individual preferences, whether it's working remotely or securing steady job prospects in one's own city or region. Clients also benefit from being able to hire remote workers at competitive rates in a highly efficient manner without having to worry about visas or other bureaucratic red tape that come with hiring staff offline. Ultimately, choosing between Upwork and Fiverr depends on your specific needs. If you're looking for highly trained experts who can handle complex tasks efficiently, then Upwork might be the best choice. However, if you need someone to complete smaller gigs quickly, then Fiverr may be more suited for you. Whichever platform you choose, these sites make it easy for both employers and freelancers alike to get connected quickly. When it comes time for negotiations with potential clients, make sure you are confident in asking for higher rates that accurately reflect the value of what you have to offer compared with other suppliers in your field. Freelancing online takes hard work but can be incredibly rewarding if done correctly, allowing one to gain financial freedom while doing something they love. With dedication and proper planning, making money through freelance opportunities isn't just possible, it's achievable. Number 2. Affiliate marketing through social media. If you're looking to make money through affiliate marketing, one of the key elements to success is building an engaged audience. Through social media, You can achieve this with relative ease by cultivating a presence on different platforms that resonate with your target demographic. There are several key strategies that you can use to build an audience on social media and maximize its potential for affiliate marketing. First, it's important to have a well-defined niche so that you know exactly who your target audience is and what kind of content they'll be interested in. Once you've determined this, create engaging content based on your niche that not only educates your followers but also encourages them to interact with each other. This will help to foster a community atmosphere and ensure that your followers feel a sense of connection with each other and with your brand. Another strategy for building an audience is to take advantage of existing influencers in your niche who already have a large following. If possible, reach out to these influencers and collaborate on creating content together or have them promote or review products related to affiliate links. This will help draw more attention to both your brand as well as the product itself, resulting in increased sales from those online purchases using affiliate links. It is important to note that building an audience with social media for affiliate marketing can be a difficult and time-consuming endeavor. Even if you're fairly savvy on the latest trends in digital marketing, trying to build an engaged and loyal following on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube is no easy task. But when done correctly, the rewards can be substantial. Number 3. Start a drop shipping business. Starting a drop shipping business can be a great way to make money selling products online without having to invest in physical inventory. Drop shipping is an order fulfillment method that lets store owners sell directly to consumers without stocking any inventory. When a customer purchases a product from a drop shipping store, the store owner pays the supplier's wholesale price and the third-party supplier ships it directly to the customer. But setting up and running your own dropshipping business requires more than just setting up an e-commerce store. Before getting started, it's important to understand both the advantages and disadvantages of dropshipping so you can decide if this type of business model is right for you. The biggest advantage of dropshipping is that you don't need to stock any physical products or invest in inventory up front, saving you time and effort on buying, handling, and storing inventory. You also have more flexibility when it comes to scaling your business, because you don't need to worry about managing an inventory surplus or shortage as demand varies over time. On the other hand, there are some downsides to consider as well. For example, since you don't manage any of the fulfillment process yourself, you may be at risk of delayed deliveries, incorrect orders, or other delivery issues that can cost you customers and hurt your reputation over time. Additionally, since most suppliers ship only within certain countries or regions, there may be higher costs associated with international shipping and taxes. If these factors sound manageable for your business model, then you're ready to start putting together your own dropshipping business. The first step is finding reliable suppliers who offer quality products at competitive prices, so you can remain competitive in your market. Researching different suppliers is important because not all of them will offer the same pricing structure or even carry exactly what you want. So make sure they meet your criteria before investing in them as part of your supply chain. Once you have found reliable suppliers who fit within your budget and offer quality products, it's time to start building out your website with an e-commerce platform like Shopify or WooCommerce, which both offer easy-to-use drag-and-drop builders for creating professional-looking stores quickly and efficiently. To ensure smooth transactions between customers, suppliers, and yourself, we recommend integrating automated order processing software into your e-commerce platform, which will help handle all orders efficiently and reduce manual errors like miscommunication between parties. Once everything is set up on the technical side, it's all about marketing. You will need to create compelling content such as blog posts and email newsletters, and build relationships with customers via social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, and launch effective pay-per-click campaigns. All these will help drive traffic back to your website, which should result in sales conversions over time. Starting up a dropshipping business requires dedicated hard work and strategic planning, but ultimately can be very rewarding when done right. With proper research into reliable suppliers, building out an optimized website, and coupled with effective digital marketing tactics, your dropshipping business will be set up for success. Making money online is a great way to gain financial freedom, allowing people the flexibility of time and the choice to pursue their passions. However, Before starting such a venture, it is important to weigh all the pros and cons. For example, there is often an initial investment involved in getting started, and there may also be some risk involved depending on the type of venture you choose. It is essential to always do research and find reliable sources of information before investing in any kind of online business. The potential rewards can be great if done correctly. While these three methods of making money online are certainly some of the most popular, there are plenty of other ways to make extra income via the internet. If you're not fond of any of our main suggestions, but still want to try your hand at digital entrepreneurship, take a look at our bonus options. 1. Blogging. Blogging is one of the most popular ways to make money online, as it has low startup costs and can be highly profitable and offers a great deal of flexibility. You can start your own blog by creating content that is relevant to your niche and monetizing it through affiliate marketing, selling products and services, or running advertisements on your site. To succeed in blogging, you will need to have an effective content strategy, build an audience, and market your blog effectively. 2. Online survey. Companies are always looking for insights into their target audiences, so they often turn to online survey providers, such as SurveyJunkie and Inbox Dollars, to find out more about their customers' needs and desires. These companies typically pay users for taking the time to answer surveys, providing an easy way to make money online, while also letting companies gain valuable insights into their customers' behavior. 3. Selling digital products. Digital products are files that can be downloaded online, such as ebooks or music tracks. These can be sold at a lower cost than traditional physical products, which makes it possible to generate additional streams of income relatively easily, especially if there's already a demand for what you're selling. Additionally, digital products don't take up any physical space, so it's possible to manage them with minimal overhead costs compared with managing physical inventory. Platforms like Etsy let entrepreneurs create stores where selling digital products is simple. All that's needed is creating the product itself, or finding someone else who has created something similar, and then creating listings ads and marketing materials. It's been a pleasure bringing this video to you, and we hope that it has helped you on your path to financial success. If you're interested in learning more money-making tips, let us know in the comments below, and be sure to like and subscribe and turn on notifications so you get an alert whenever we upload new content. Finally, don't forget to share with your friends. Your support helps our channel continue creating awesome content like this one. Thanks again for watching.